Hello, how's it going, my dear Teletubbies? Today I'll be showing you how to make a daily food pack. For the content checkers or moderators of who are watching this video, you can take a break of about 4 minutes. I made this one really clean, squeaky clean. I promise. All right. So let us begin. First, you want to start off your day with a thumbs up. Then you will take a knife and a cutting board with yesterday's leftover cheese cuttings fromage. Now we'll take a piece of beef, and it can also be fish, raw please. This specific piece of beef was dry aged in the fridge for about 1.5 to 2 weeks. If you want to dry age in the fridge, you need to rotate the piece from side to side once a day, or you can find a solution to hang the meat in the air. So now I'm going to cut the piece into slices, and then the slices into bite-sized pieces. All right. Um, so in the meanwhile, I'll explain in short why you need to rotate or hang the meat. People usually ask me, hey Sonia, but raw meat is only good for 2 days in the fridge. Are you trying to get us all sick or something? If you make sure that there is no standing water around or on your meat, you will get dry aged beef, and it can be really tasty actually. You can even do it without the fridge, by the way, like we did it before fridges, right? But don't let the flies into the same room or area as the hanging meat, obviously. You know the difference in nature between standing water and flowing water, right? The same applies here. It's the same principle, same logic. So we're almost done cutting here. Now after this, you need some sort of container with a lid that has some sort of locking mechanism, so it won't fall off in your bag or whatever. You put the chunks inside the box. Here are the chunks. Sonia approves. You put them inside the box. And there are 3 eggs in the background. I would recommend at least 3 yolks to this amount of meat. You can take a couple of more just to have an extra snack, but 3 or more, that's my recommendation. You can always add the real soy sauce to your meat, by the way, or some salt beforehand, and it will blend well with the yolk and make a delicious sauce. Yeah. By the way, don't waste the whites when you start eating. Until you start eating, just keep the eggs in the box on the meat, right? When you start eating, crack open the eggs, and if you filter out the whites, if you don't like it, just like me, because it basically it has an aftertaste of some sort of um, you know reproductive organ. So if you filter out the yolk from the whites, please keep the whites, okay? The whites can be used for a cream. They can be used for, a lot of things. As you can see, a little bit of soy sauce, or you can use salt. You can use the whites as a cream. You can give it to your pets. You can give it to the animals outside. You can even give it to the earth, right? Fertilizer, to the plants, to the mycelia. And that will be super cool. So that's it. And you break the yolks right into the meat, and that's it. You're done. With the food pack, 3 minutes of making it, 50 seconds of washing dishes. Sonia is super happy. She hits the air, and there you go, a couple of uppercuts. And that's it, boys. I'm wishing you all the power in the world to change and set a good examples to other, right? Please eat good nutrition. Please eat good nutrition and stop giving birth to children who eventually suffer because of your lack of nutrition, who are sad, confused, have problems in their minds and in their bodies, not energetic, and stuck in their own heads with their own fears and boxes, in their own back boxes, right? That will eventually turn into you, them, the children. Please keep yourself away from surgeries in the mouth or stomach or heart or wherever. Please keep yourself away from false procedures. And finally, start using your soul, heart, mind, and body for creating truly righteous things into the world. Things like health, freedom, peace, family, unity, love, and morals. Please set an example to others, okay? And let us change the world together. Amen. Amen. For more information, you can visit my YouTube channel and check out the nutrition presentation and also the secret episode. And don't forget to, to fist bump your meat. Oh yeah, boy.